your first time to attend this exhibition and also the first time for you to arrive in Karamay. What kind of impression do you have on this exhibition or to this city?
Oh, this is our first time attending this exhibition, the seventh International Petroleum, Natural Gas and Petrochemical Equipment Exhibition in Karamay. And we are glad we are here. It's been an exciting experience since we came. Our impression is that Karamay has done well in terms of building an industry around the oil industry. We've seen many spectacular examples of innovation, of integration and commercialization of several products and solutions. So we are glad we made it to this place, and we are very happy that we are part of this exhibition. Yes, we will look forward to being able to, as an organization, Heirs Energy looks forward to being able to make this type of participation once again.
And as Associate Vice President, what is the most prominent energy demand at your country?
Heirs Energy is a fast-growing company, indigenous company in Nigeria. We are determined to provide energy solutions to the country. The most prominent need is meeting the energy deficiency needs of our people by producing energy in a sustainable way and providing it to homes and industries. We are the fastest growing oil and gas indigenous company in Nigeria. We are 4 years old but have been able to double our production in less than 6 months within that period. So we are very determined that we serve the society and in line with our national regulations and the national growth ambitions of Nigeria. So we are a growing company. We will meet the energy needs. There's a huge demand for energy in Nigeria in terms of converting gas to power, meeting people's energy needs in homes and in industries. So there's a huge market for us to be able to fulfill. And that's the reason we are here at Karamay, to be able to see what solutions are possible for us to meet this ambition of growing meeting Nigeria's energy need as a fast-growing integrated energy company.
In this exhibition, they are very advanced equipment and also technologies showing in this exhibition. Which one impresses you the most? And is there any cooperation intention?
We are impressed by what we have seen in the integrated manner that Karamay has developed the oil industry. We've had opportunity to visit various booths and even visit some factories so Karamay has been able to build a manufacturing base around the oil and gas industry. We've been able to build systems and products to support the oil industry in Karamay and all the major oil fields. So we are impressed that you do not have to go far to be able to get your equipment to support the oil industry here. And so that is a major, so the supply chain here is a very short one. So as soon as any operating company needs any product, they get it immediately from nearby manufacturers. From drilling equipment to chemicals to production systems to separators, you name it in the oil and gas industry. We are impressed that Karamay has formed industry around the whole of them, and they're able to supply the operators as quickly as possible. That is very impressive. We've also seen some very tremendous innovation around drilling, simplification of re-entry, well re-entry, and intervention works and the equipment. These are usually very costly equipment, but we've seen that the innovation in the Karamay oil and gas industry has simplified this equipment. We're also amazed, and we've seen a lot of products. For example, the multifunctional, the dual-functional, dual-purpose compressor pump, which is able to export a multi-phase, act as a pump and also act as a gas compressor and export multi-phase fluid, which you can produce directly from wells. This is important for us because some of our wells are far away from our gathering stations, our flow stations, and this kind of product will help us to be able to export our oil properly. And then two, we have also seen that you are using AI-powered solutions to monitor your entire value chain in the oil and gas industry, from your wells to your production system, to your separation system, stabilization system, to your export. We've seen solutions powered by artificial intelligence that enables you to achieve your operational efficiency. So we are impressed by these solutions and many more products that have been very impressive for us.
And viewed from the industry too, what kind of changes will present in the energy market at your country? And for the international enterprises entering your market, do you have any suggestions?
Okay, so what kind of changes do we expect in the market in my country? So the world is going into energy transition. We are poised to go into energy transition also, and to support the growth in Nigeria. About 4 years ago, the Nigerian government declared the decade of gas development in Nigeria, whereby natural gas will become the transition product. So Heirs Energy is also poised to support that. We are developing our gas reserves. Heirs Energy, as a company in the umbrella company of Heirs Holding, is also developing gas to power systems to power industries to give electricity to homes and schools. So those are some of the changes. We also expect that supply chain between manufacturers and the end users will be shortened. In many cases, there are long lead times to get products, to get spares, and to get equipment. We are hoping that with our participation at this fair, we'll be able to build partnership that will shorten those supply chain long lead times. And many more of such innovations that we are seeing in the country. Yeah. Thank you.